Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Welcome to JT Tech. In today's video, I will be showing you how you can establish your Facebook username. Recently, we uploaded a video on how you can be able to use one name on your Facebook account. So guys, in today's video, I will be showing you how you can stylish your Facebook username using this particular trick. So I only request today, watch this video till end. Make sure you do not skip this video for a better understanding, as I will be showing you step by step and all the settings that are required to be able to stylish your Facebook username. This is the Facebook I will be using today, 𝙎𝗬𝞛𝗕𝗢𝗓, and I will be showing you how you can be able to stylish the name today. So guys, here we have to click on this three dot, and then we have to scroll down, and then we have to locate our settings. So guys, here we click on settings like this. So guys, as you can see, this is our settings. So we have to go back, and then we have to open our Play Store. I believe you all have Play Store on your device. So guys, here we have to search for this application. It is a very simple application, Touch VPN. But guys, please, before I show you this, if you are visiting this channel for the first time, we request that you subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the notification bell so that anytime we upload a video on this channel, you'll be the first person to be notified. So guys, this is our VPN that we're going to be using today, Touch VPN Secure Hotspot, and then we have to open it, and then I will show you how you can be able to use this VPN or use this trick in order to stylish your Facebook username. So we have to click on skip, and then we have to click on OK from here, and then here we have to click on this best choice. You click on best choice. So guys, it won't be loading in. We have some preferred locations here. So guys, here you have to scroll down. There is a particular country I will be showing you today, and the country I'll be showing you is Japan. So you have to make sure that you enable Japan. You have to connect to Japan VPN. So guys, as you can see here, it's already connecting. So guys, here we click on OK. Please, you have to wait until this has been connected successfully. Don't forget to like this video and comment. Please subscribe and then share with your friends out there so that they can be able to benefit too. So guys, as you can see, it has been connected successfully. So guys, here, after this has been connected successfully, then we have to go back to our Facebook. Then you open your Facebook. As you can see, I'm already opening my own Facebook like this, and it is loading. And then you have to click on this three dot by your right hand side again. You have to locate your settings again. You have to open your settings just like the way we did the other time. So here you open your settings, and after then you have to open personal and account information. So it's already loading in, and then you have to click on name and edit. Click on edit. Then here you have to clean, or you have to delete the last name. Me, I will be deleting the last name depending on how you want to use it, and then I will paste the stylish name I want to use. I'll paste it. I will be dropping the stylish name on the description. So I will change the first name also, and then after then you have to click on review changes. So here you have to insert your password. So I will quickly insert my password now. I'll quickly insert my password. So we wait for it. So guys, here as you can see, I will insert my password right away. So guys, as you can see, the name has been changed. After inserting your password, you have to confirm it. So let's check if this has worked perfectly or not. Please, if this works for you, please, it's very, very important that you subscribe, because we're going to be bringing more tricks on this, on how you can be able to stylish even your dashboard or your profile. So guys, as you can see, it has worked for us. Subscribe and like. See you on our next video.